The dog and I walk past here pretty much every day of the year, and it's been really depressing seeing this massive border that was once quite nice just deteriorate and basically fall apart. Now the Garden on a Roll team, myself and the guys from the office, some local community members are going to transform this into a bee and butterfly border and a sort of mixed planting really that will look good 12 months of the year and just be a real attribute to the local community. Anything's going to be better than that. Now this seems an impossible task because the bed's about 40 metres long. It's one of the longest we've ever done. But the important thing I would always say, and it's probably one of my favourite tips really, when you've got a job that big, always start right at the beginning. So we're going to basically fork out everything that's in here. 90% is dandelion and feverfew seedlings and dock leaves. You just do little bite-sized chunks and eventually you'll get to the end. Luckily for me, I've got a load of helpers, but actually once you all get stuck into this, it won't take too long. And then hopefully plant it all up next week. Right, we're about to plant up this massive border here, 40 metres. We've got local community business people here, we've got locals, anybody who cares about the environment and wants to make the town better and increase bees and butterflies in this area. They're all here, we're all going to help. We've got the garden on a roll, we've got the space, we've got the plants in the van, and we're just going to get on with it. Okay guys? Woo! Bit more enthusiasm, great. Let's go, right. Everybody grab something. So the ground's prepared, it's all rake level. And now we're going to roll out the paper, peg it down, and then we'll get all our plants set up, ready to plant. We've got all the plants all lettered up to match the roll. We've got 40 metres worth of plants to go with the roll, and it's all plants that are going to be drought tolerant, good for bees and butterflies. They're going to look good throughout the year as well. So it's a tough border to do, but it's going to look great. Richard runs the Great North Business Centre here in Hatfield. So we've chosen plants that are going to take the drought. They're going to attract bees and butterflies and will look lovely as well for everybody passing by here and for you guys in the office. So another couple of hours will be done.
Okay, well thank you very much Anthony and your team and all the volunteers. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. It's good to be outside. Good to make the place look lovely. Stuart is the man from Stuart Cross Maintenance Services. He's working over the road. He's seen what we're doing and he's going to come and put a plant in. Anyone you like, Stuart?
Okay, right.
Thank you.
All the best. Thanks.
Cheers, mate. Bye. All planted. It's taken us about 4 hours. We've had loads of people turning up. We've had kids in the local area. We've had people who work in offices over there and over here. And we've had all the Garden on a Roll team here planting. We've had a really good day. It hasn't been hard to do. It's been really good fun. And what's great about it is, for the next few years, we can all enjoy this wonderful border right on our doorstep.